Hi, second years. So today we're going to sound out the hard TH sound now. So in phonics, we are going to sound out the hard TH sound. So in order for us to do this, we have to place our tongue behind of our front teeth and sound out the hard TH sound. Look at the position of this picture where the tongue is behind the teeth. So let's try sounding out the hard TH sound now. Th, th. Let's practice that sound with some words. First word here, we have there. Then we have then. Next word, father. Then we have that. Next word, those. This. They. Last one, these. So you notice your tongue behind your front teeth and you're sounding out the TH sound. The. Let's sound out some hard TH words in a sentence now. Father went to buy the soap to bathe that evening. Again, let's look at that hard TH sound in some words in the sentence. Father went to buy the soap to bathe that evening. Alright kids, so keep practicing your hard TH sound. Remember, position your tongue behind your front teeth and sound out the. And you can get those words right once you try practicing and sounding out the hard TH sound. So good job and keep practicing.